So today we are beginning a 3-video examination of Bruno Marc. This is a shoe company that recently offered me the chance to take a look at a few of their offerings, 3 to be exact, hence the 3-video examination. And today we are kicking things off, pun very much intended, with the polished leather Oxfords. These are the polished leather Oxfords from Bruno Marc in black. These are budget dress shoes that are made for someone looking for something super affordable, but still looks great. According to their site, the breakdown of the shoes include a polyurethane upper, a lace-up closer design, a breathable faux leather lining, a latex cushioned insole for more comfort, a stacked wooden heel, and a slip-resistant rubber outsole for traction and grip. I want to mention too that although these are black, the ones that I have are the black ones, they have 4 other colors as well, and for sizing they have several listed, including wide options as well. Price-wise, we are looking at $54.99 on their site, but you can actually find them on Amazon as well for a little less, so that's even better. Putting them on the feet now too, first off, they feel pretty good. They don't hurt my feet or anything like that, but I'm honestly not extremely surprised at this. I've tried quite a few cheaper dress shoes in the past, and they always seem to find a way to make them feel pretty good on the feet. But the problem then ends up being that they fall apart rather quickly. Now, I have not ran a marathon or anything in these, or, put them through a crazy stress test or anything like that, but they do feel pretty solid to me. Am I saying these are the exact same shoes as ones in your closet that are 3 times the cost? Of course not. I'm not saying they're on the level of anything really, but there are people out there who either can't or don't want to pay higher prices for dress shoes, and these would be a good option for people who fit that description. Because they are black too, they can go with so many colors as far as combinations go. Black on black obviously works well. You can't go wrong with that. Khaki works great. Gray. I mean, there's patterns. There's all kinds of mix and match options you can run with here. In the end, though, I think these are a solid option for, again, people looking to get a decent pair of shoes at a decent price. And honestly, I think everyone should own a pair of black dress shoes. So if you need a pair, you might check these out. It's totally up to you as usual. But once again, you can find them at the Bruno Marc site or on Amazon. That, though, is it for my look at these dress shoes. Next, we will be taking a look at the formal Oxfords in brown from this same brand. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you got your notifications turned on. And of course, that subscribe button hit. If you haven't already, make sure you tap that button for me. That's a huge help. I really appreciate it. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.